Lab-grown food, also known as cellular agriculture or cultured meat, is the process of creating edible products in a laboratory setting, rather than through conventional farming. It involves growing cells and tissues in a controlled environment, replicating the natural process of meat or plant cultivation. The general process for lab-grown food typically involves the following steps. Cell sourcing. A small sample of cells, known as the starter cells, are collected from animals and plants. Cell culture and propagation. The collected cells are placed in a growth medium containing essential nutrients for cell growth and multiplication. Cell differentiation. Cells are exposed to specific environmental or growth factors that guide them to differentiate into the desired cell types. In the case of lab-grown meat, this could be muscle cells or fat cells. For lab-grown vegetables, it could be different plant tissues like roots, shoots, or leaves. Tissue development. The differentiated cells are organized and structured into three-dimensional tissues using tissue engineering techniques. These tissues can mimic the composition and structure of the desired food product, such as muscle fibers, fat tissues, or plant tissues. Harvesting and processing. The lab-grown tissues are harvested and processed further to create the final food products. This may involve additional treatments, flavoring, and texturizing to mimic the characteristics of conventional food. In the realm of lab-grown food, there are varying opinions about it and its impact. Let us explore different perspectives. Environmental sustainability. It is mainly promoted as an environmentally sustainable alternative to traditional food production. It requires fewer resources such as land, water, and feed compared to conventional livestock farming. This can potentially reduce deforestation, water usage, and greenhouse gas emissions. Animal welfare. Lab-grown food offers a way to produce meat without the need for raising and slaughtering animals. Food security. As the global population continues to grow, lab-grown food has the potential to provide a more efficient and scalable method of food production. Innovations and technological progress. It has the potential to revolutionize the food industry by introducing new methods of production and can drive progress and create new economic opportunities. On the other hand, there are concerns raised regarding potential negative impact. Large-scale adoption of lab-grown food could result in the reduction of traditional farming practices and the loss of biodiversity associated with natural ecosystems. Traditional farming practices, including small-scale farming and local food systems, could be negatively impacted. The long-term effects of widespread adoption of lab-grown food on ecosystems, human health, and social systems are still uncertain. Microsoft, led by Bill Gates, has been heavily investing in sustainable agriculture and lab-grown food, and filing significant patents as well. Google and Amazon are also involved in developing these sustainable food technologies. With the entry of the big tech into this field, critics argue that these large corporations would potentially monetize their inventions and control the accessibility and affordability of lab-grown food products. There are also concerns about the lack of fair and impartial research prioritizing the well-being and interests of humanity. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.